Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. Kids, first we are using the color of black. Now we open black color pen. First we draw the alphabet of A. Subscribe to our channel. A for apple, A for ant. And the next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. And the next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, now we draw D. D for dog, D for dog. And the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. Wow. Kids, now we draw G. G for gorilla. And the next one is H. H for hand. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, H for hand. And now we draw I. I for ice. I for ice cream. The next one is J. J for jackfruit. Now we draw the alphabet of K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion. L for lion and L for lemon. The next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for octopus. Now we draw P. The alphabet of P. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose, R for rice. Now we draw S. S for snake. Kids, the next one is T. T for teacher. And the next one is U. U for umbrella. Now we draw the alphabet of V. And the next one is W. Now we draw X. The next one is Y. And the last one is Z. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching.